Today is the 13th of June 2022, and these are the main elevators at the Scandic Hotel Foresta on Lidingö Island, Stockholm, Sweden. And this one has 6 floors. 2 elevators.
Yeah.
It was finished in early 1999. It says 98 on the piece of art also.
Mm.
So the elevators were built in early 1999, and actually it sounds like the earliest type of monospace.
Yeah.
It is probably like January 99. So early Delta.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
Yes.
So it's 90 years old in 2019. The capacity extemper is 8 grams and number is H85981. These have 2 rides, each of them.
Yeah.
G is open also.
Mm.
Instead of 1, it's E on the floor meter. But that's not a door close one.
Yeah.
Strange.
Yeah.
Only one thing, they could have been a bit faster.
Yeah, of course. Inspected by SLP and maintained by Kone.
Also, these automatic doors feel like on Kone from 1998 or something.
Yeah.
So this is definitely early 99.
Mm.
Now instead it's G and 1 instead of 1 and 2 here.
Yeah.
But could have also been 1 and 2.
Yes.
But this is also proper numbering. In practice it makes it miss the second floor. Strange, but well, still amazing. Just like some sort of Kone logo maybe by the door element on the column panel.
Yeah.
Love this oval style.
Same here.
We have filmed some oval ones in Finland also.
Yeah.
I think this is the first in Sweden we are filming, or the first 2.
Yeah.
Amazing how very fresh it is though.
Yeah.
23 years, but still fresh. It's built in 1999, the capacity is 10 versus 8 grams. This number is H85980. I wonder if it is really big. No, it's a door close, door open button,
Oh,
but
strange.
it's used as a door. It's strange.
Yeah.
It must be a spare part,
Mm.
or I don't know. It's weird. for G is not for gatuplan or street level, but it's for the garage.
Yeah.
And the same word in English as well. The elevators will be inspected in December 2022, still this year.
Yeah. Inspected by SLP and maintained by Kone.
It's a bit hard to believe that we are already 25 years in 2024.
Yeah.
It's also interesting that when you pay attention to the panel, you can see that they have the Kone logo both here and there.
Yeah.
For the floor indicator and on the capacity side.
Mm.
Fifth floor or something, because there, if they have the rope or something to direction arrows, maybe
Yeah.
we can see it there.
Yeah.
I would like to see it if it has it. That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed these elevators as much as we did while filming.
Yeah.
And it did, yeah, it doesn't.
That's